Okay guys, it's 2016 Tesla Model X 75D. This is a 7-passenger. Haven't seen many. This is a 7-passenger. It's got like basically brand new Michilin tires on there. This is a clean title. See, they've upgraded this to hardware 3, so does pretty good with the full self-drive. You can pay for the full self-drive. And guys, this doesn't blink in normal. I'm looking at it, it's not blinking like it is in the camera, but full self-drive subscription, all your premium connectivity, all the upgrades you can do, all your service, navigation lights, seats, close all, AC blows cold, all your energy consumption here, audible, toy box. Look up Tesla if you don't know all the fun things they can do. So it's had 200 miles on it at a full charge. 75D. So it has power folding mirrors. USBs here. (2016) Tesla Model X 75D, clean title, clean Carfax, trade-in. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.